In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your domain name in Wix in just 5 minutes. We all know how important it is to have the right domain name for your website. It's a fundamental part of your brand's online presence. So, if you're looking to make a change, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use any browser you like, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another option. Once you're set up, type Wix into the search bar and hit Enter. This will bring up the Wix homepage as one of the top results. Go ahead and click on the Wix link to bring you to the Wix website. Now that you're on the Wix homepage, look for the Login option. It's usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and enter your account details. This is the same information you used when you first created your Wix account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Just follow the password recovery steps provided on the site. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your site's dashboard. This dashboard is essentially your control center for all things related to your website. You should see your site listed here, or if you have multiple sites, they'll be all there. Find the site for which you want to change the domain name. Next, look for the Site Actions icon, which is typically located at the top of the dashboard. Click this icon, and a drop-down menu of options will appear. From this menu, select Rename Site. This option allows you to change various site details, including your domain name. When you select Rename Site, you'll see a field labeled Site Address, URL. This is where you can enter your new site address. Take your time to think about what the new domain name should be. A carefully chosen name can significantly impact your brand's perception. Once you've decided on a new name, type it into the field. Finally, after entering the new site address, make sure to click Save. This is a crucial step because it ensures that all your changes are recorded and implemented on your site. Once saved, your domain name change is complete, and the new address should be active shortly. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your domain name on Wix in just a few simple steps. Remember, your website address is key to your online identity, so choose wisely and make sure it aligns with your brand and goals. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to give it a like or share it with others who might benefit. Happy website building!